Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Realme 14. Okay, so let's begin. So first up we need to open up our WhatsApp. I just install it just to show the whole process. So in here simply select the language. Now click on agree and continue. You can click on allow to send you notifications. Okay, now you need to type your phone number. That's what I'm gonna do now. Okay. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like this, contacts and media. Now click on continue, click on allow, and allow limited access or allow all. In case that's for photos and videos, I'm gonna click on allow all. And now as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. So below we can see how long the backup was made, how long ago, below the size, and the account on which it is stored right now. Okay, also remember that to have this option to restore your chats, you need to be logged into the same Google account that which backup is made. So when you have backup on this mail, you need to be logged into the same mail on your phone, in your options, in your Google account. Otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. And remember that if you want to restore your chats, you need to do it now, because as you can see, if you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later. Okay, so simply click on restore. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, you can see that 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Alright, so now simply click on next. In here type your name. And if you are interested in your profile photo, simply click on this green plus button. Now click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully restored. Okay. Alright, so that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.